Hey everyone, John Moran here again with another episode of Things that Google has that we teach you about. Today is going to be talking about a extension that I get questions about from our clientele fairly often, and unfortunately not too many of them can use it, but I think it was actually a good enough topic to create a video about it. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And it's called affiliate location extensions. Now, this isn't an affiliate where you're taking someone else's product and selling it. That's a whole different topic for a whole different time. But what affiliate extension is let's say you don't have a product. You have a company that has a product and that product just got into Home Depot. Well, what this does, the affiliate location extension allows you to add an extension onto your ad that says this product is available at Home Depot and then shows you a Home Depot nearby. I hope I don't get sued by Home Depot, by the way, because I'm using their name. So let's call it Home Depot. So Home Depot has a product that you actually have given to them that there's wholesale and they're your big box retail store. You can actually add this as a location extension right to your ad that people then can say, oh, click and get driving directions and go right to Home Depot and go and buy that widget, buy that product. So I want to kind of share it with you because I think it's pretty cool. And it's a way for maybe you to think about, should I open up the retail space? Should I start becoming like a vendor to these bigger box retail stores? Maybe this is something that maybe something you're already thinking about. Maybe something's already on your development slate and you're looking to kind of get going with it and maybe just didn't know this existed. So I want to share that with you today. So let's dive right in. And I'm in actually our account here. Now, what you'll notice, though, is that we actually can't sell Solutions 8 at big box retail stores because big box retail stores don't sell magic just yet. So unfortunately, that's bad for us. But I'm in our account here, so you don't really need to not have anything kind of blurred out, which is good. So under the extensions tab, you'll see that there's an extension called affiliate location extension. And if you click on that, make sure you take off your filter here, but you can click on the plus symbol and click on the affiliate location extension, and you can look at general retailers, and then there's auto dealers, which I thought was pretty unique. Auto dealers have a big push in the market to kind of share, where the Ford is, at the local Ford store near you. But let's just say general retailers for now. And this list is going to be growing. It's kind of new to Google Ads right now, but this list will be growing and for different type of, kind of layers and different levels of breakout and sophistication. But you can select general retailers. And you can say it's the United States. And then you have 1,216 chains in the United States. So let's see if I can find the Home Depot one that I was talking about. Home Depot's not even on here. Man, well, we're going to have to use a different one. Let's say, let's find a good one. J. Crew. So I sell clothes now. That's the new thing. So J. Crew. So what's nice about this is you can have J. Crew and then you click done, and you'll see here available at J. Crew nearby. And it adds that on there. When you click on that, it gives you driving directions and a location extension right to the local J. Crew so that you can go buy it. Now, the cool part about this, though, too, is that you get statistics. Anybody that clicks on this link, you'll get to see, do they click on the driving directions? Do they click call? What do they do? How do they interact with that store? And you can actually see how this location extension actually starts to promote your product in these other affiliate stores. And what's cool is you can see, depending upon what keywords you're using, if you're using, more budget or less budget, how does it affect how many people drive to stores? How does that affect how often your vendors or your, retail stores order from you as a vendor? But it's something that is, very unique to Google Ads that you can basically take advantage of over 1,200 retailers, and it's still growing. Home Depot is not on there yet, so sorry, you gotta get with the times. But if you're J. Crew, good job on you. But the J. Crew, for example, if you're selling clothes on your site and also in other stores, you can kind of double dip. You can send them right to your site, or if they don't want to buy online, they want to buy nearby, this is a way for you to kind of redirect them right to their local store so that they can buy your products there. I hope this is kind of a good tip for you. And if you like kind of the videos that we're doing, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and do all the fun stuff that hopefully makes us popular. But I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.